Everyone, Daniel here from Twin Bytes with another quick tutorial for you. This time on the Microsoft Quick Assist. If you're looking to give support to somebody remotely or you need to get help from someone, there's a free utility built right into Windows 10 that'll allow you to do this. I'm going to show you how to do this right here. If you go into your Start button and type in Quick, you'll see Quick Assist come up as an app. It should be already installed on your computer. So with this program, there's two options here. One is if you're the person that's getting assistance, then the other person would give you a 6-digit code that you would type in here and share the screen. If you're the person giving the assistance, you'll need to click down here to assist another person and provide that code. So I'm going to go into Assist. Now you have to put in your account. You got to sign in as your Microsoft account. And because I'm signed in already into my computer with the Microsoft account, it remembers the password and it has it there ready to go. So now we just need to get the person on the other end to launch the Quick Assist and run it. And you can see that the code expires in under 10 minutes. So it does have a countdown and then it will cancel out and you'll have to start over again. So let's get this over here. We'll flip over to my other computer and we'll look for Quick Assist. So on the other computer, it is going to be the code from Assistant that we want to type in. So we can see our security code over here. So this is what they would be providing to the person receiving assistance. So we'll type in the code. Share screen lights up, so we can go and hit share screen. And you can see that it's starting to connect. And we have the options here of either taking full control of the computer, which is ideal if you're providing support, or if you just want to view the screen and guide them over what to click on, then you can choose that option. But most of the time you want to take full control. So you select that, hit continue, and then you'll see on the other side here that they see that you want to take full control of your computer, and they have the option of allowing it or canceling it. So they have to say allow in order for you to continue. Now we've got a connection in here. So if I can resize this so that you can see both screens at the same time, you can see here now whatever I do on the one screen is showing on the other screen. So I'm able to take over and do just about anything, like opening up the task manager, for example, and looking at the performance and processes that are running. I can go into the event viewer to look at events and all kinds of other stuff. I think you get the idea. Once you're in here, then you've got some other options here as the remote user. You can select which monitor, because in some cases somebody may have more than one monitor. You can make annotations on the screen and draw on it. Whoops. You can erase that from there. Exit annotation. The annotation comes in handy if you just want to direct their attention somewhere. You can make it go to actual size so it'll fill up your screen, but I won't do that here because then you can't see two monitors at once. You can toggle the instruction channel, so you can send text. And then you can see over here that they got the test. So we'll hit a reply over here and send that, and then we got the reply received. There's an option here to restart the computer. there's a task manager, which we've already got open, but we close out of that, click the button over here. It's just another way of launching the task manager. And if you lost a connection, you can reconnect here. You can pause your connection or end it, and that just gives you the details of what everything is rather than just looking at pictures. So it'll actually describe everything for you. So we will go and look at the restart. You'll see, do you want to restart the remote device? So I'm going to say restart, and we'll see what happens on the other side. It says that the device is restarting, and we can actually see it on our end as well, but they see it on their end too, that it's going to restart, and it counts down. So unless they cancel it in time, it's going to restart the computer. So their computer is now restarting, and we see that there's a note saying that it is restarting, and it will resume the connection automatically once it's been restarted, which is really convenient, so you don't have to deal with trying to get another code again. So that's it for this quick tutorial on Quick Assist. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.